Hi everyone, welcome to the Atmosphere Edit, your source for authentic Pilates on YouTube. I'm Allison Breen in Portland, Oregon. That's Emily Hoffman in Helena, Montana. Let's get started standing at the front of your mat. Crisscross your arms and put one foot behind you. Lower yourself down with control and lay out on your mat. Bend your knees into your chest, grabbing your ankles. Roll your head up and look at your stomach. Reach your legs out to your working level of hundreds. We're going to start pumping. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 30. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 40. Inhale, 2, 3, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 50. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out for 5 counts, 60. Breathe in. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 100. Reach your whole body long on the mat. Stretch your toes away from your hands and your hands away from your toes, reaching your arms by your ears. Roll up and reach past your toes, pulling your stomach back. Roll back slowly with control. Do 4 more of those full roll-ups for me as we go. And remember, I say reach past your toes to get you to have the most length, but at the same time as you continue to do these, I want you to really pull your waist back in opposition. Continuing in reaching and back. Roll up and reach and back. Roll up and reach and back. Good. Go ahead and lift your right leg straight up above you. Walk up your leg as high as you can, giving it a big stretch. Eyes at your stomach. Lift your head up. Big stretch. And then walk down. Head goes down with you. Arms by your sides. We're going to circle the leg. 1 for 5. 2. 3. Pausing at the top. 4. 5. Reverse. 5. 4. 3, 2, 1. Bring that leg down, pick the other leg up. Walk up your leg as high as you can and give it a big stretch. Elbows out to the sides of the room, eyes at the stomach. Really good stretch, and then walk down. Head is down. Leg stays up as we cross around and up. Lift to go over 2. Lift to go over 3. Lift to go over 4. Lift to go over 5. Reverse. Around up 1. And 2. 3. 4. And 5. Bring both legs squeezing firmly together on your mat. Arms are back by your ears. Give me a full roll up. Good. Move your seat to your feet and grab as low on the front of your legs towards your ankles as you can for rolling like a ball. Your knees are about the distance open of your armpit width. You're going to look into your stomach, roll back and roll up. Roll back, roll up, and balance. Roll back and roll up. Let's take 2 more. Roll back and roll up, and 1 more. Roll back and roll up. Stay balancing, eyes in at your stomach. Place your feet down. Move your seat back away from your feet and stretch out long on your mat. Bend your knees into your chest, grabbing your ankles for the single leg stretch. Roll your head up. We reach our right leg long, left hand on left ankle. Pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull. Pull, pull. One leg goes out as the other comes in. Now, if this starts to feel easy, you can start to take that long leg lower. Good. Let's switch the pace. Switch and switch and switch and switch. Grab both ankles, keeping your eyes at your stomach. If your head gets tired, you can always rest it and pick it back up, even as we move. Reach your arms and legs out. Circle around, double leg stretch. Reach it out. And around. Reach out, hold it, hold it, hold it. Circle around, pull those knees in, grabbing the ankles. Reach out, stretch long and lean, and pull it around one more time. Reach out, stretch. Now stay out. Scissor your right leg towards you and grab your ankle or anywhere on your leg. Pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull. Double pull. Elbows wide. And singles. We switch and switch and switch and switch and switch. Both legs up, hands behind your head, fingers to wrists. Slowly lower the legs away. Quickly lift. Slowly lower the legs away. Quickly lift. One more. Slowly lower away. And pick it up. Bend your right knee into your chest. Left leg goes out away from you. Twist towards your bent knee and hold it as you try and touch your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. And then switch and hold it and hold it and hold it. Switch. 1, hold it. 2, hold it. 3, one more time. Switching, hold 1, 2, 3, and relax. Nice work. Reach your body out nice and long. This is your full roll-up transition. Roll up and reach. Good. Getting ready for spine stretch forward. If you have a tight back at home, you can always sit on a pillow or a small barrel, or you can bend your knees. Reach your arms up in front of you, shoulder height. You're going to squeeze your bottom and really engage and lift, really lengthening your spine. Roll your head down the front of your body as your arms stay shoulder height, stretching to the wall in front of you as your navel pulls to the wall behind you. Again, for that two-way stretch. Roll back, stacking up the spine like you're stacking up a wall. Grow tall. And again, roll the head down. Stretch forward as you pull your waist back. And roll it up, growing really, really tall. And again, lift the waist, roll the head down, scoop the stomach as you reach forward. And then roll it back with control. Last time, squeeze the bottom, lift off your seat, roll your chin to chest. As you dive your head down, keep reaching to where you can grab your arches of your feet on the inside or anywhere on your leg you can stretch. You might not be so flexible to reach for your arches, and that's okay. Just grab anywhere on your legs. Good. We're going to sit up really tall now, lifting your arms back up. If they're not there already, you're going to roll back and pick your legs up for open leg rocker. You're going to roll back 5 times today. Roll back and then come up and balance and look up. And you're going to look in as you roll back and come up and look up. Best posture. Look in as you roll back, come up as you lift, roll back and lift. Let's do one more. Roll back and lift. Good. Relax. Getting ready for the saw. We're going to take our arms out to the sides of the room. Take your legs as wide as your mat. Twist to the right and reach your left baby finger for your left baby toe. Look into your stomach. Roll up, staying nice and tall, and come to the center. Twist as you grow tall. Reach. Back arm is really lifted. Come up and stay twisted. And to the center. Great. Legs together, go onto your stomach. So this is a mix mash. We're definitely having fun with this one today. We're going to take swimming. So what I want you to do is have your arms be just about the width of your mat and your legs narrow hip distance apart. Everything is relaxing here on your mat. Now pull your stomach in and lift everything up off the floor. Just looking up to the wall in front of you without crunching your neck. We're going to swim the opposite leg and opposite arm and breathe like the hundreds. We swim inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Big inhale. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Last set. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice work. Go ahead and sit back on your heels and stretch. And we're going to come right out into a push-up with your shoulders over your wrists. We're going to take 3 push-ups with control. Down and up 1, push. Down and up 2, push. Down and up 3, hold. We're going to do one more set of those. Go down 1, up. And 2, up. And 3, hold the plank. Lift your right leg 3 times. Lift 3 and 2 and 1. Left leg 3, 2, 1, and walk back to where you can stretch and grab your ankles. Roll your arms and head up together as you roll up. And turn and face the camera. Pilates stance. Reach your right arm up by your right ear, growing tall. Take a side bend over and stretch. Come up and switch sides. Left arm up. Take it over and stretch. Come up nice and tall. Nice work today, you guys. We hope you enjoyed this Authentic Pilates mix-up mat. Have a great weekend.